Ever seen a ratchet belt? Look, it's made out of nylon, and it kind of conforms a little bit. And what you do is you slide it in here, and it has these certain teeth in this lever, okay? And you slide it in like so. Like basically feed it in. Like, I need a cameraman here, but there it goes. Slide it in, and it latches into these grooves. And then if you want to release it, you push this lever up and pull it right out. It's really slick. This is called a ratchet belt made of nylon, or maybe sometimes other materials. I think it's nylon and heavy metal. This is metal. It's black. It's really nice.